This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Wendy Berkshire. Charming home on a picturesque tree-lined street in highly sought-after Larchmont. This home boasts 3 large bedrooms, a sunroom, laundry room, eat-in kitchen, and plenty of attic storage space. Outside you will find a detached garage and adorable fenced-in backyard. You will feel like you are in your own oasis while still being close to everything that is happening in Norfolk. Restaurants, breweries, Norfolk Naval Base, HomeServices, Norfolk Yacht Club, and downtown are all nearby or within short drive. On top of all of this, no flood insurance is required. Welcome home to this beautiful Larchmont home. For more information, review the details below.